Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, master HTML to build the foundational structure of any web page. Then, move on to CSS, which allows you to style your content, making it visually appealing and responsive. Finally, dive into JavaScript to bring your pages to life with dynamic and interactive features. This sequential approach ensures a solid understanding of each core technology before advancing. Hands-on practice is crucial for rapid learning. Start by building small, focused projects that apply recently learned concepts. Try to replicate the design and basic functionality of simple websites you admire. This practical application solidifies your understanding much faster than just reading. Strive to complete at least one new project every week to consistently reinforce your skills and build a portfolio. Leverage high-quality resources to accelerate your learning journey. Websites like MDN Web Docs offer comprehensive and reliable documentation for all three languages. Actively participate in online developer communities to ask questions and learn from others' experiences. Most importantly, dedicate at least 30 minutes to coding practice every single day. Consistent, daily effort builds muscle memory and deepens your understanding significantly. Once you have a strong grasp of the fundamentals, expand your knowledge. Investigate responsive design to ensure your websites look great on all screen sizes, from mobile phones to large desktops. Consider learning a popular front-end framework, such as React or Vue, to build more complex and efficient applications. Remember, the web development landscape constantly evolves, so continuous learning is key to staying current and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.